Hey, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, Stella Temtsen, and as you can see by the title of this video, what is happening to this? Why is this thing so harsh? We shall be watching. I think this is a sports bike. I have watched the sport bike before. This is like my second video right now, so let's watch and enjoy. And I shall be eating a few to keep me going. Um, It's called Death Wish. Oh, okay. Guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. My second channel links are all down below. And if you'd like to support your girl, we want to see exclusive content, join my Patreon, join my Buy Me a Coffee account where you have exclusive content and you get to support me, help me build my brand. I'm a single mom out here. Help your child. All right, thank you. Let's watch and enjoy. Why? Like, all I have to ask for watching all these videos is I'm still to recover from that shock. That was did you see that? Why is it moving like this? Are you okay? I keep saying it, people are out here risking their lives. You have no business being on one tire. Yeah, I'm not gonna ride like that. I have no plans. I love my life. I have a child. No plans at all to ride like that. So what am I eating now? I have a beef jerky. Very spicy. Are you seeing? About 299 meters. That was crazy. Life second chance, and you're still on that bike. If that was me, I would just drop the bike by the side and trek home. I have even helmet I will never touch. God just saved your life, like right there. If you didn't see, God just saved your entire life, and you're still on that bike. Okay. Okay. It's like how they're proud of it. It's like some people are adrenaline junkies and they love the thrill, they love excitement and whatnot. Wow. Wow. 6 kilometers per hour. Are you kidding me? Like, God forbid, God forbid, there's like a collusion. The amount of speed you're going at is going to be insane. Like, you will lose a limb if you even come out alive. These people are crazy. Yeah, okay, keep reminding me, I have no plans of going close to a motorbike. No plans. This is insane. What's the riskiest thing I've done this week? Eating this beef jerky because it's hella spicy. But now you guys are on a whole other level. A whole other level. Man. Imagine there's a banana peel on the floor. Just slippery. Blood everywhere. Brains, organs, flying. Woo. That's very close. The last video I watched, it was like cars are in traffic. This isn't, there's like space, very narrow, and the person was just riding in. This is crazy. Like, I want to know, is there like a speed limit for motorbikes? Because it's crazy for people to be riding like this. Like, I need to know, what's the speed limit for bikes? Is it higher than that of cars? Because bikes are more dangerous. That was insane, but that was fun to watch. I enjoyed it. I love watching these videos because I get to be adventurous through people's adventure. Does that make sense? I think it does. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and put your post notification so that I can notify you whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time with another video.